Assalamu alaikum. Let's start by 4.3b, An Enemy of the People, written by Henrik Ibsen, and this was adapted by Arthur Miller. Let's start by the introduction of the writer. An Enemy of the People it is a very good playwright and a very famous playwright written by Henrik John Ibsen. It is a story of southern Norway. Okay. As a Norwegian playwright, theatre director and poet, he was one of the founder of modernism in theatre and is often referred to the father of realism. The most notable period of Ibsen's life began with his decision to take up realism, that is, to write plays that provided a sharp criticism of modern society, especially with regards to its idea of morality. In 1877, Ibsen wrote a series of 5 plays that reflected his disapproval of social and political issues. In order of appearance, the plays were The Pillars of Society, A Dollhouse, Ghost, An Enemy of the People, which we are going to see, and The Wild Duck. Because of his critical analysis of modern society and themes of moral conflicts, his drama were often considered controversial by many from his era. Now about the play, what is there in the play? Let's see. So An Enemy of the People, which is written by Ibsen, which has taken adopted by Ibsen, responds to the harsh criticisms and public disapproval of his 1881 play Ghost. The problem experienced by Ibsen after the publication of the Ghost are reflected in the problems of the play's main character, Dr. Stockman. Okay. The playwright voiced this similarity in a letter that was written around the time of the play's composition. In this letter, he noted, Dr. Stockman and I got on excellently together. We agree on so many subjects. The play is a realistic drama in 5 acts and depicts ordinary life as it is, not as one would like for it to be. It is also sometimes known as a problem play, which is a term used for several of Ibsen's plays because they focus on controversial problems of the community. The Dr. Stockman, central character, means the main character of the play, eventually manages to make his point even though his idea would not be accepted by society for a long time. Since the play was originally written in Norwegian, it is full of wordplay that cannot be translated. Specifically, a number of characters' titles mentioned in the original play exist only in the official administration of Norway. Now, let's see the theme of the story. As it is set in a Norwegian town, the play deals with and criticizes the local politics, and in doing so, exposes the double standard of those who pretend to advocates of social reform with concern for the democratic nature of society. Like all of the plays in the series, this play also deals with moral conflicts. It is in particular deal with the question of self-interest versus the interest of society and focuses on the adverse way in which a society attacks a person who chooses the interest of the society above his own. Such a person who understands the essence of situation is unpopular and often alone in his fight to help the society. Means nobody tries to help him. As his ideas are not appreciated for a long time, that is why the main character, who is the main character? Dr. Stockman. So we finally sum up by saying that, means the last line of our play is, the strongest man in the world is he who stands alone. सबसे ताकतवर इंसान कौन है? वो है दुनिया में जो अकेला खड़ा होता है. Furthermore, more specifically in the Act 3, Ibsen also exposes the media for its lack of bravery in reporting the truth, thereby revealing its corrupt nature. As we have studied in our earlier chapter, Pillar of Democracy, we have seen that there are pillars. How many pillars? We have seen 4 pillars of our democracy. The 3 important pillars are, what are the 3 important pillars? Executive, legislative and judiciary, and the one is media. Media is having, these 3 are most important pillars of the democracy, and the 4th pillar, that is the media, is having the role play of both negative as well as positive. So as over here we can see about the media that he has exposed media over here. So On the whole, Eastern criticisms of the social evil of this time, particularly the status of women and the refusal of the 19th century society to discuss moral problems, the play's themes are relevant even today. So now let's see the plot. Before starting by the plots, I would like to tell you that here the main thing, the highlighted thing is the bath. B-A-T-H-S, bath. So what is bath? Bath is normally we are taking bath every day, right? So what is bath? Here the important thing on the bath is given like the public bath. We are talking about public bath in the story. Where we have to pay and we can bath over there. A public bath is there, and whole the story, the main focus is on this public bath, what a Dr. Stockman has raised the point. Okay, now let's see the character, and the character which we are going to see, the major characters, other characters are also there, but the major character over here, apart from Dr. Stockman, he is the main central character or the main character of our story. Apart by this central, other more are there, that is Hosworth, Askelin and Mayer. Okay, now apart from this, other character which we are going to deal with is main Thomas Stockman, he is medical officer of municipal bath, which I already told to you. Then his wife Mrs. Stockman की wife है. Then Petra उनकी बेटी है, who is a teacher by profession. Then Edgelif and Morton is there. They are the son of Dr. Stockman, age 13 and 10 respectively. एक की 13 है और एक की 10 है. Okay, then Peter Stockman, the doctor's elder brother, who is the mayor of the town and chief constable, chairman of the baths committee too. Morton Kill, a tenor, who is the Stockman's adoptive father. Hosworth, he is the editor of the People's Messenger, means a media people. Then Billing, he is a sub-editor. Captain Hoster, Askelin, a printer. Now men of various condition and occupation, a few women and a troop of schoolboys, the audience at a public meeting. So this all are the characters which can be seen in the story. Now let's start. Now this An Enemy of the People, here it is a brief introduction of the writer which I have already given to you, that he is a Norwegian playwright who is director as well as a poet, and he is a founder of modernism in theatre. He is often referred to as the father of realism and one of the most influential playwright of his time. Like all the Ibsen play, An Enemy of the People was originally written in Norwegian and is full of untranslatable wordplay. Specifically, a number of character titles exist only in Norwegian bureaucracy. Okay, now let's see. Here is Dr. Stockman. Now let's start by the main story. Over here, the main character of the play, Dr. Stockman, who is a medical officer of the public municipal bath, suspect that the water in the bath is contaminated. Contaminated मतलब कुछ तो गड़बड़ है पानी के अंदर, with the people, normal common people are taking for bath. तो वहाँ पे वो पानी जो है वो contaminated means maybe some disease can be spread by that water, by using that water, or maybe it is very dangerous when चला जाएगा तो डायरेक्ट फॉरन डेथ हो सकती है, मे बी ये भी हो सकता है. ओके, वेरियस रीजंस आर देयर ऑफ कंटामिनेशन ऑफ वाटर. टू इन्वेस्टिगेट हिज कंसर्न ही ऑर्डर्स क्लिनिकल टेस्ट एंड द रिजल्ट कंफर्म हिज सस्पिशन. अब जो उनको डाउट था, इट हैज़ बीन क्लियर बाय द test. The water is discovered to be seriously contaminated due to the faulty drainage system. अब प्रॉब्लम क्यों हो रही थी? Because of the drainage system. Dr. Stockman alerts several members of the community including Hosworth and Askelin who work for the local newspaper. अब उसने कुछ respectable members को भी बताया. Apart from that, he is also informed to the media personalities too. And also his brother the mayor. अब उसी का भाई मेयर था तो उसने अपने भाई को भी बताया. Okay, he received unquestionable support from Hosworth and Askelin, and they thanked him for saving the town with his discovery. They also agreed to publish the report exposing the corruption among the town officials who are responsible for the defective build of the bathing complex. अब जो ये चीज़ थी वो लोग ने थैंक्स बोले, और उसके अलावा दे हैव ऑल्सो एग्रीड कि हम लोग इसके ऊपर कुछ मतलब वर्क करेंगे. जो डिफेक्टिव सिस्टम है इसको कुछ तो हम लोग अंडर में लेंगे, द करप्शन जो चल रहा है. ओके, हाउएवर एज द बाथिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स अट्रैक्ट अ लार्ज number of tourists to the town, it is crucial to the town's economy. Keeping this in mind and the fact that the necessary repairs would cost a large amount of money, the doctor's brother Peter Scotman, who is also the mayor, asks him not to publish article. डॉक्टर क्या बोलता है, इसका मेयर क्या बोलता है डॉक्टर को कि देख तू तो मेरा भाई है, सो बेटर यू प्लीज़ डू नॉट पब्लिश द मैटर, जो भी आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना, प्लीज़ डू नॉट पब्लिश द आर्टिकल. इससे क्या होगा, खाली अफवाह रूमर्स फैलने लगेंगे और हम लोग को तो सिर्फ अर्न करना है ना, पब्लिक बात से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अर्न करते हैं. सो बेटर प्लीज़ डू नॉट पब्लिश एनी आर्टिकल रिलेटेड टू दिस. एडिशनली the mayor is also not convinced of the report. He refuses to close the bath. और फिर वो बात को बंद करने के लिए मेयर क्या करता है, मना कर देता है. Okay. He refuses to close the bath especially because that will cause financial ruin. The brother argue and the mayor warns the doctor of terrible consequences for him and his family if he does not consider printing the report. All this while, Dr. Scotman counts on Horsworth and Askelin of the local newspaper for support. However, the mayor manipulates the two and convinces them to oppose Dr. Stockman. As a result, they refuse to print the article. Means first they were accepting. पहले वो लोग ready हो गए थे, okay we will print it. But when mayor had give corruption to this people, उनको convince करता है, so they disagreed और बोलते नहीं हम लोग ये print नहीं करेंगे. Dr. Scotman, though disheartened by the betrayal, does not admit defeat. वो अपनी हार नहीं मानते हैं and decide to hold a public meeting so he can tell people the truth about the bath. और एक public meeting करने का सोचते हैं कि okay ये नहीं हो रहा है ना, media is not ready to help me, so what I will do, I will take a public meeting and I will inform to people that don't go to bath because अगर आप बात करोगे तो आपको ही problem होगी. So this thing was going on in his mind. Okay. With the mayor, Askelin and Horsford refusing to let Dr. Scotman speak about the report, Dr. Scotman grows increasingly frustrated and explodes into a long criticism of the officials and states that the people who make up the majority, that is, the people of the town, are stupid and don't deserve the power they are given. In doing so, he offends the people and the meeting soon turns disastrous with the people of the town declaring Stockman to be an enemy of the people. अब क्या हो जाता है, सब चीज़ उल्टा हो जाती है. कैसे उल्टा हो जाती है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कुछ और बोलते हैं कि जो पीपल जिसके हाथों में पावर है वो लोग डिज़र्व नहीं करते हैं. ओके, वो लोग पागल है. लाइक वाइज सम रॉन्ग वर्ड्स हैज़ बीन केम इन फ्रंट, सो द पीपल व्हाट दे सेड, नो द स्टॉकमैन who is giving us the report, he is very crazy and he is enemy of the people. वो दुश्मन है लोगों का. This why he is giving us the report likewise. डॉक्टर स्टॉकमैन होम इज प्लेटेड विथ स्टोन. अब क्या हो जाता है, डॉक्टर स्टॉकमैन के घर पे लोग पत्थर बरसाना स्टार्ट कर देते बिकॉज दे कंसिडर्ड हिम एज देयर एनिमी. ओके, एंड हिज विंडोज आर स्मैश एंड ही बिकम्स द फोकस ऑफ पीपल्स एंगर. He loses his contract as a medical officer and his daughter Petra to loses her job as a teacher. अब क्या हो जाता है, as he is a medical officer वो उसका contract खो देता है. Okay, he loses his job as well as his daughter जो कि एक teacher है. Petra एक teacher है. Okay, तो she also loses the job. His landlord threatens to evict the stockman from his home. अब जो इसका लैंडलॉर्ड होता है वो भी उसको धमकी देता है कि तेरे को घर खाली करना पड़ेगा. Even in such trying times, अब इतनी मतलब डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन है, but then too Dr. Stockman maintain his stance and refuses to leave the town. वो टाउन छोड़ने के लिए नहीं मानते हैं. Instead, he chooses to stay so that he can educate the masses about how likely it is for moral ideals to be pushed aside by the pressures of self-interest. In other words, while a convenient choice may be easy to make, it may not always be the morally corrected one. He ends by proclaiming the strongest man in the world is he who stands alone. और फाइनली वो क्या बोलते हैं कि नहीं, जो अकेला इंसान है वही सबसे ज़्यादा ताकतवर है. एंड आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू एडुकेट द मासेस. मासेस यानी पीपल. मैं मासेस को एडुकेट करना चाहता हूँ कि जो चल रहा है वो सारी चीज़ें गलत चल रही हैं. ओके, so this is the thing which has been discussed in our act. Okay, the story is likewise. नाउ एट लास्ट उसकी जो वाइफ होती हैं वो भी उससे हट जाती है वहाँ से, वो भी उसका साथ नहीं देती है. तो फाइनली ही इज़ ऑल अलोन. ओके, पूरी तरह से अलोन हो जाता है. दिस प्रेशराइज हिम टू से द सेंटेंस दैट द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट मैन इन द वर्ल्ड इज ही हु स्टैंड अलोन. Okay, now see there is a summary of the Act 3. Act 3 has been given to you. Means in short what happened in the story. So in short what happened, that this act is a set of an office of a local newspaper, People's Messenger. जो local newspaper जिसके पास वो जाता है उसको बोलते हैं local newspaper, People's Messenger. Beeling and Hosford are praising Dr. Scottman's report regarding the contamination of the bath for its hard-hitting nature and are discussing how it will help them in their campaign against the mayor and the local authorities. Dr. Scottman enters the office and encourages them to print his report in full. Since the fight with his brother, the mayor, the report has begun to symbolize a greater purpose for Dr. Scottman. It has become a matter of fighting corruption and abuse of power. While Beeling and Hosford encourage Doctor's aggressive approach, Askellen asks them to proceed carefully and suggests a moderate course of action. The Doctor disagrees and states that the issue is no longer limited to the purification of the bath alone, but extend to the purification of society itself. सिर्फ बाथ को प्यूरिफाई नहीं करना है बल्कि सोसाइटी को भी प्यूरिफाई करना है. In response, he is praised by Billing and Hosford and leaves after saying that he will be back to check on the printing progress of the report. Once he is gone, Billing and Hosford accuse Askellen of being too afraid to offend the authorities. Atkinson states that protecting his own interests is important and he can only fight for his beliefs till his interests remain unharmed. He then observed that the support of Dr. Scottman is also based on self-interest. Atkinson even goes on to reveal how, despite Billing's criticism of the authorities, he has applied for a political position. Hosford's reasons for supporting the doctor come to light when Petra, Dr. Scottman's daughter, entered the office wanting to return an English book that Hosford had asked her to translate. Petra refused to translate it because the story is based on the reactionary idea that the good are rewarded and the bad are punished by a supernatural power. Even though this contradicts his beliefs, Hosford is willing to compromise them for the sake of pleasing his readers and thus selling more papers. In their discussion of the matter, it is revealed that Hosford only supports Petra's father because of his attraction to her and not because of his belief in the cause. Furious, Petra leaves from the office. Just then, Askellen announces the arrival of the mayor, who has entered the office from the back door in order to avoid being seen. Still enraged by his fight with the doctor, the mayor visits Hosford with the sole purpose of turning the doctor's supporters against him. He begins by praising the two men and then proceeds to explain that in order to fix the contamination issue, a large amount of money will be required, which will be raised by taxing the working people. Since the one who built the bath refused to spend any more money on it. Thus, the mayor points out that by printing the report, the newspaper is showing its support to the raising of taxes. He further explained that the repair work will require the bath to be shut down for 2 years. Finally, the mayor rubbishes Dr. Scottman's reports as imaginary and unreliable. Means for 2 years we cannot have financial support. वहाँ से पैसा आना बंद हो जाएगा. This was the major reason. Okay. Askellen and Hosford, who are shocked by this information, do not wish to be a part of Doctor's false campaign and quickly change their position on the matter of offering support to the mayor. They agree to print the statement that mayor offers them to print in place of Dr. Scottman's article. As mayor searches his pocket for the statement, Dr. Scottman arrives to check on the progress of the report. Seeing this quickly, they hide the mayor in a separate room. The doctor inquires about his report, but they brush him off by saying it's not ready yet. Unaffected by their behavior, Dr. Scottman continues to believe that he will be hailed as a hero once the report is printed and then decides to come back later to check the report. Before he leaves, his wife enters the office. Kiski, Dr. Scottman ki. To discourage the newspaper man from printing the report for fear of the consequences it might have on her family. Dr. Scottman disregards his concern and turns to leave, but notices the mayor's official hat and stick. क्या देख लेता है वो? मेयर्स की हैट और स्टिक देख लेता है. Quickly understanding the motives of his brother, the doctor put on the hat, takes the stick, and opens the door to the room where Peter is hiding, mocking him in the process. The doctor's joy is short lived as he realizes that the mayor has managed to manipulate Asluskin and Hosworth. As such, they refuse to print the report because they do not want to offend the public. On seeing everyone betray her husband, Mrs. Stockman overcomes her concern about her family and offers support to her husband. Unwilling to give up, the doctor declares that he will leave no stone unturned to reveal the report to the public. When he states that he will hold a public meeting and read the report aloud, they tell him nobody in town will allow him to host his meeting. That is when Mrs. Stockman assures the doctor that their two young sons will march around with him, banging a drum while he reads his report aloud. This encourages the doctor, and he leaves with his wife after openly challenging the man to stop him from revealing the truth. After their exit, the mayor shakes his head, saying the doctor has driven his wife insane too. So here we have ended by the story. I hope you have understood the story. Just read once, okay? If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. So thank you so much for listening. Allah Hafiz.